Kronometrix Smart Alarms. Kronometrix is a distributed data fabric connecting to a wide variety of data sources, everything from IoT devices and ICT enterprise to weather and environment sensors. In addition to multifaceted data ingress, Kronometrix provides high-speed transport for data consolidation, analysis and visualization in real time. At the same time, as offering extensive data source flexibility, the Kronometrix Smart Alarms capability can also send alarms if certain predefined conditions pertain. For example, if the data is delayed and does not arrive on time, if the data does not meet certain numerical formats, or if user-defined business logic is violated. Kronometrix Smart Alarms uses a special algorithm, based on sampling the prescribed frequency and duration of trigger events, to eliminate the typical flood of unnecessarily repetitive alarms, the bane of every on-call technical support person. For example, the Kronometrix operations team was originally receiving around 500 alarms per day. That level of alarms becomes highly irritating noise that eventually tends to get ignored, thus defeating the purpose of the alarm. After implementing the new Smart Alarms interface, that number was dramatically reduced to less than 20 per day. How does it work? For user-based alarms, these are the main important concepts used: threshold, frequency, and duration. So, let's start to take them one by one. Threshold. The threshold is a numerical value used to define a Boolean condition, true or false. When that Boolean is true, a count of that event type is accrued toward triggering an alarm in the future, depending on the settings of the duration and frequency parameters. Next, the frequency. The frequency is the rate at which events need to occur, in order for an alarm to be issued. This rate is defined through two quantities: the number of events and the time base. For example, to specify that an alarm be issued when 3 events occur in 1 hour, the user would enter a 3 for the number of events, and 3600 seconds for the time base. The duration. The event duration is defined as the period during which a set of contiguous data samples meet the user-defined threshold condition. An override value sets the maximum number of alarms that will be issued. Once this number of alarms has been issued, no further alarms will be sent, even if the alarm condition is met in the future. The default value is 0 and means the override is disabled so that alarms will always be sent when the alarm condition is met. Now you know the most important things about Kronometrix Smart Alarms. All smart alarms are standard feature of K50, K500 and Kronometrix SaaS. If you want to know more about our products and services, please contact us at support@kronometrix.com. We are here to help you. And thank you for listening.